Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. Man, what a beautiful Sunday morning we have. In the midst of the quarantine and the stay-at-home orders, that sunshine makes a lot of difference. And so I hope you all are able to get outside and enjoy this great day. And even the same for yesterday. It's just been a beautiful weekend. I plan to get on a kayak and spend about 4 or 5 hours on the river this afternoon. Enough about me. In fact, this is going to be my last video that I'm making for the semester. And I'll go over that for a couple reasons. For one, I want to make sure that everyone has easy access to all the coursework. I realize that this has been an online class the whole time, and so everyone should have had access, or at least that was the assumption I was making. But I realize a lot of people relied on public libraries and maybe even the Nash Community College Library to gain access to the internet and to use their computers. And so while things are difficult, I'm going to do my job to make it as easy as possible for those of you that are impacted by internet access and availability. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the remaining chapters for the semester. And so this week, of course, is chapter 12, preventing infectious diseases and sexually transmitted infections. And then this week will be business as usual. In fact, every week will be business as usual. You just won't get the video from me. Notice I've already taken it down for each week. So this one video is going to serve for the next 4 weeks. The due dates don't change. I'm just giving you all some flexibility as to when you need to complete the assignments. And so you'll still get an email from me each week reminding you that chapter 12 is due on the 13th, and chapter 13 is due on the 20th, and chapter 14 is due on the 27th, and chapter 15 is due on May 4th. And so I'm still here to take your emails and answer any questions, just offer support the best that I can. But also in difficult times, it requires us to be flexible and just to make things a little less difficult. And so whether you're having to work from home and take care of children and manage your job as well as school, or whatever the situation may be, I just want to make sure that you can complete your coursework in a manner that works best for you. So again, the remaining 4 chapters for this semester are available. Please continue to stay on top of the due dates. You have the green light to go ahead and work and complete as much as you want to now, or just again each week make sure you're hitting your due dates. Again, you'll receive those messages from me. So just a quick highlight for each chapter. Of course, last week we did the chapter on sexuality, contraception, and reproductive organs, so it naturally fits in that we would have the preventing infectious diseases and STD or STIs for the following chapter. Then next we're going to get into some chronic conditions that really plague our society, with diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. You'll learn in that chapter that some of us are genetically predisposed, for those conditions. And so it's important that you understand kind of your family history, so and what puts you at risk for either of these conditions, so then you can take preventative measures, whether it's through diet and exercise and sleep and stress management, all the things that we need to do anyways just to maintain a sense of wellness and be healthy. Then lastly, I guess next we've got consumer health, all right, helping educate you as to what to look for before you make purchases, especially when it comes to things such as supplements and those fad diets that pop up from time to time. So just being an aware consumer, understanding labels and things of that nature. And then finally, personal safety and injury prevention. You heard me say earlier in the video, and I'm about to wrap up, I'm at a 4-minute mark now, that I'm going kayaking. So of course, making sure that I have all the necessary equipment to kayak safely with me and my family. So you're talking life jackets and just things such as that nature, making sure that you're well equipped and making sure that you're competing or participating in activities that are within your skill level and also your physical abilities. All right. Well, guys, have a great week and a great wrap up to the semester. Look, we've had a really, really good semester, so don't let this change impact your work in any way. The only difference really is I'm not doing this intro each week, and the reason I'm not is because if I, let's say someone this week goes back and completes all 4 chapters, if I add a video each week, then that's going to deduct from their grade because they didn't click that link, and so I don't want anyone to be negatively impacted as we try to work with those that may not have internet access. All right, I've rambled enough. Guys, have a great week. Stay safe, happy, and healthy, and let me know how I can support you.